Hello everybody, bienvenue, welcome to French with Mr. Innes. Today, which is jour number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14! Très bien, jour 14. Don't forget that if you like this video and want to see more of them, then hit the button subscribe after this video. Today we're going to be thinking all about the French bakery. You might remember on day 10 we learnt about different French jobs. One of them was un boulanger, and that is a baker, somebody who makes all these delicious foods that we're going to learn about today. When you go to France, it's really important to be able to ask for lots of different delicious foods at a bakery. So today's phrase of the day is the French expression for I would like. Écoutez. Je voudrais. Je voudrais. Je voudrais. Répétez. Je voudrais. Je voudrais. And so today we are going to learn about 4 different ooh la la vocab, all about different foods you can order at a bakery. Our first ooh la la vocab today is a croissant. How do you say a croissant in French? Oh yeah, un croissant. Écoutez 6 fois. Un croissant. Un croissant. Un croissant. Un croissant. Un croissant. Un croissant. Répétez. Un croissant. Un croissant. Un croissant. Un croissant. Un croissant. Un croissant. Our ooh la la vocab numéro 2 is a pain au chocolat. Pain meaning bread and chocolat meaning chocolate. Écoutez 6 fois. Un pain au chocolat. 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 Répétez. Un pain au chocolat. 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 Next up we have a type of French pancake. Écoutez 6 fois. Une crêpe. Une crêpe. Une crêpe. Une crêpe. Une crêpe. Une crêpe. Répétez. Une crêpe. Une crêpe. Une crêpe. Une crêpe. Une crêpe. Une crêpe. Last but not least, we have a brioche, which is a very tasty sweet French bread. Écoutez 6 fois. Une brioche. Une brioche. Une brioche. Une brioche. Une brioche. Une brioche. Répétez. Une brioche. Une brioche. Une brioche. Une brioche. Une brioche. Une brioche. And let's move on to our new game, Which One's Missing? So as you'll see, we have un croissant, un pain au chocolat, une crêpe, and une brioche. Now I'm going to take one of those away, and I want you to figure out which one's missing. Which one's missing? Très bien if you said une crêpe. Which one's missing? Très bien if you said un pain au chocolat. Which one's missing? Très bien if you said un croissant. And lastly, which one's missing? Très bien if you said une brioche. So now that we have our phrase of the day, which was je voudrais, which means I would like, and we know our quatre ou la la vocab inside out. We can order anything we'd like at a French bakery. So if you'd like to say, I would like a croissant, you would say, repeat after me, je voudrais un croissant. Je voudrais un croissant. If you would like to order a pain au chocolat, you would say, je voudrais un pain au chocolat. Je voudrais un pain au chocolat. Très bien. And now it's time for our fun French fact of the day. Did you know that a croissant gets its name from the French word a croissant, which means a crescent? It's a little bit like if you look in the sky and see a crescent moon in the same shape as the food, a croissant. And finally today we have our song of the day. Today's song of the day is a classic timeless French tune by Edith, Piaf, and it's called La vie en rose. Quand il me prend dans ses bras, il me parle tout bas, je vois la vie en rose. You can find the link to La vie en rose in the YouTube description below. And that is everything for today. Jour number 14. It's been lovely having you here for French with Mr. Innes. Please don't forget to subscribe by hitting the red button below, and I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Au revoir!